What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another one, and today I got clapped on QQQ, and then I went on SPX. I was able to recover some of the profits, so I'm still in Meta. I'm in a Meta play, not down too much on the Meta, and I'm still in the Costco play. Costco, I got a little bit of time on it. I'm down on Costco. I was up on all of them at one point, but the market was just a little bit wonky today. Okay, let's go to QQQ. Oh, today was so bad. Yeah, look, y'all. I got in calls, and I'm gonna be honest. I was a bit, hard headed today. I'll say that I was a bit hard headed. I kind of just was trying to let price action work itself out. I actually hedged on QQQ on the put side, and still, like I said, took a little bit of profit on there, but then still lost on those just because of the bounce. And I never sold my QQQ calls, and so we were looking good in QQQ calls, and then the market rejected it. It was just a disaster from the beginning. Let me tell you something, y'all. This is how you just get played and chopped. Like, I mean, they really didn't find a trend today, and I knew better. I knew better. I'm gonna be honest. I knew better. So I was anticipating this this inside candle right here to be taken out to the upside, but we were starting to break it. Like, we had two inside candles. So the first 15 minutes, we were just stuck inside here. And so we flushed, and I got us in puts, and we were able to be up pretty nice on the puts, actually, especially at this low. And then it bought back up so hard. So let me bring in the EMAs. And you can see on the EMAs, like we came down here, tested 20 EMA on the 10. And let me see how it was looking on the 5. Yeah. Got in on calls on QQQ right here because of this kind of right here. We had a fill two down on the 5-minute. Now, usually I wait for it to trigger, meaning breaking back to the upside. And so we had an inside candle, and then I was like, okay, I'm not too worried about it because we're kind of holding. We had this long wick at the bottom right here. We had this little long wick or hit the bottom of this one candle. And I was like, when we break to the upside of this, we should go. Matter of fact, we did. We broke to the upside of this, but we could not take out them highs. So we went sideways, and then this right here is what they trapped me. So I was playing with fire, like they was just kind of going sideways, and it was looking like it wanted to like break to the upside right here. I drew a line. I was like, we should break above this, back to the upside, because the price was holding, but it was showing weakness. So these little candles was rejecting, and I thought we was about to come out right here. This 3 started to break out, and I was like, okay, it's ready now. And then it just came with a 3 candle flushed. This right here, and I just kind of hedged in this candle instead of stopping out like I should have. Let that be a lesson learned. Usually I stop out. And some trades, if the structure is really sweet, I won't stop out. It depends. I just have like a more of a wider stop. But this 3 candle, I mean, they came and got me. But as you can see, it was kind of like wedging a little bit too. I mean, because they bounced right off these EMAs. That's why I didn't want to sell, because I was like, price action should get back up here. And they did. Once we got up here, I got green, and then it rejected so hard it ate into the theta. I did not take profit. So I got caught holding the bag today. I want to say that. I got caught holding the bag. I was green on this trade a couple of times. I was just really, a couple of times. The initial start when I first got in, and then this kind of right here. But after this pullback, it just chopped and ate up the contracts, ate up the theta. So even getting back up here, back to the upside, getting back in this area, I still wasn't green. This hold still wasn't green. So QQQ was a bit rough. But instead of me waiting for this break to actually get in on calls the first time, let me draw this, because they were wedging. I mean, they was rejecting, they was buying up, so we were stuck. And I should have just waited till we got outside the 5-minute ORB. I should have waited till we got a 5-minute candle close outside. This was the actual first 5-minute candle close right here outside this. And then you could have caught puts, but it did not last. It got this flush, and it bounced right off of this, came right back up. I should have sold right here. I just really thought that we were going to go a bit higher, but we just chopped for the rest of the day. So I got caught holding the bag, and that's on me. That is on me. Yeah, this fill two down on the 5 was the main reason why I got in. So that's on me. Not my best day, but SPX took care of me. So I got in right here at 10:45, and I got faked out for a little bit, but I was banking on the 20 EMA to hold up. So we had a regular two down. I was want to play the break of this high right here, and we got that. I was patient. I turn this candle like white. Okay. So we broke above this. Got in on this candle right here. I called, what did I call? Yeah, so I called 75-40 calls. We had this up move right here. I got up like 75%, if I believe correctly. Yeah, I think I got up like 75% right here. I was sending screenshots in the group showing them contracts. I had 2 of them initially. So I sold one at 50%, and then I was up like 75% up here at this point, and we pulled back like right here in this area, and I got stopped out, I think, like here on this candle. And so that's kind of what helped me like not really take so bad of a beating today, but I did get clapped on QQQ. Yeah, not the best day. We just had a really hard time finding really great price action, and then this pullback right here. If you were in calls and you didn't sell up here, like this move took you out. This took you out, and then by the time you came back, the theta ate you up because we just chopped sideways. All of this was just sideways chop. All of it. All of it. This the calls was looking good. Then this whole down move, boom, took you out of there. I mean, this is what we call like a chop fest. You know what I mean? Because we played in this area. We were still in this area till lunchtime, New York time, 12:25. So you right here in the same first 5-minute candle, I mean, it's not really giving you much. And to be able to see that break was definitely the breaking point. This 3 candle, when it came and broke below this 3 candle right here, or broke below this, it was a wrap. A couple of people in my group, they had some really nice wins. They played Nvidia and then AVGO. They went off from there. They caught the right move. I actually, funny thing is, I was talking about those stocks, those tickers before the market opened. I tried them out. I was bullish on them, and I didn't take it because I was just focused on, QQQ, and I was in Meta, and then I was in Costco, and then I ended up getting SPX. So not my best day, but I just wanted to go ahead and get this video out, just kind of show you what kind of happened to me today. And I'm already over. I mean, tomorrow we come back and trade. That's what we do. I didn't use my stop loss properly. It was well deserved. I should have definitely stopped out. I was being very hard headed today. It was unnecessary for me to take that loss. But other than that, I'm done. I will be here tomorrow, ready, locked and loaded. Hopefully tomorrow we get better price action. This is your boy D Payne, and I'll see y'all on the next trade. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Other than that, see y'all on the next. Peace.